A day for parading of colours, a day for pride, a day for partisanship, perhaps a day for personalities who will prevail over what could potentially turn into 90 minutes of bedlam. It's time we ask that age-old question again. Who is going to come out on top this time? And the mood is... Shot at goal! Goal! And the game springs instantly to life. Goal!
Well, talking about stepping things up from the off, that's how you start a football match.
4 minutes in, number 10.
And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
He had the whole picture in his head, Peter. He didn't even look at the goalkeeper.
Madrid break through nice and early, just as they wanted it. Oh, that's fabulous. Mbappe! It's in! 2-0 and in next to no time. It looked as though it'd gone too wide. He wasn't having that though, and somehow he found the angle.
Listen, no one was expecting a shot from there. That's quite outrageous.
Madrid are sitting pretty, 2-0 up.
To be expected, Peter. They've gone and stepped it up. Something they've...
Mbappe! And he's straight offside. Madrid have scored 2 quick goals here and are well and truly in the driving seat. Now he's got space here. Chance, surely! And he should have made them pay.
Oh, the pass was sublime. The finish was substandard. What a disappointment.
That's good pressing, squeezing the play. Let's get up. Oh, good read.
He read that really well and stopped it.
Rafinha. That's beautifully weighted. There's the shot! Just cruising! They are cruising! And they're threatening to fly away here. That's wonderfully done. Crisp hit, true finish.
Well, the ball was there to be hit, Peter, but wow, even so, that's never easy. Everything has to be perfect for that to come off.
A case now of complete control. And he's got the beating of his man. Decent chance! And somehow he's managed to miss it.
A message to the wise, it's probably better to try and get him behind that defence than try that over and over.
Oh no, what has happened? Great chance! Off the post! Rodriguez. And that interception was most necessary.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Hugo Duro picks it up out wide. That's an imaginative pass. And it's made its way to him. He's got away. And the shot! Oh, extraordinary.
Madrid certainly look sharp there. They're very well drilled in this art of counter.
Oh, they could be caught out here. He's had a shot! It's run loose. Who's going to get there? That has not gone well. Fouquier. And the shot! And that is doing no harm at all.
Yeah, I think that miss is going to give him nightmares for a while.
Oh, what has happened here? And he shoots! And it's in! They are purring, truly purring. An act of great generosity, accepted gratefully, indeed gleefully.
Well, you've got to give him credit for pressing so quickly there.
This is a gloriously greedy performance. Nice bit of trickery. He's found a way through. Messi's cross. Oh no, this does not look... Chance for a shot! Keeper always had the measure of that.
Yeah, I think I'd feel that way too. Not that I thrived in one-on-one situations.
And we have our very first corner. And now a sudden chance to counter. Now it's Mbappe. Mbappe! Fouquier. And
There will
Rioja
be 3 minutes at a time.
threads one in. And the shot! No, it's wide.
Oh, what a chance. He probably had more time than he realised.
Oh, what a mistake! And the referee has signalled for half-time. Staggering, just staggering. Not in their wildest dreams would they have expected a half-time scoreline like this.
Madrid really are in control here. They've done exactly what they set out to do. There's a genuine flow about their football, and some of the stuff they've played so far has been great on the eye.
Madrid enjoying a half which is little short of perfect. The dominant force, the only force. He's having a pop! He's put his foot right through that one.
Well, let's just consider that one a rangefinder, Peter. It certainly wasn't troubling the goalkeeper.
James wins the duel this time. And it's De Jong. Mbappe receives it in a good position here. Can he finish? And that has faded wide.
He'll be irritated with that, Peter. He really did spring into life as he made his run.
Strong challenge. That could leave a mark. Mbappe tries a shot! Oh, he's been... Oh, shooting chance! And that's a good finish. That is how you do it! A goal to launch his new life, his new chapter!
After 56
Some of those
minutes
players
in,
look totally lost out there
number
now,
18,
Peter, and you can't blame them.
Rafinha.
Madrid are having a ball here. And that's been intercepted.
That was well played, well stopped.
He is through here! Goes for a shot! It's bounced back off the post. Rafinha gets flagged offside. Nice looking ball. Lovely pass, but can he get there? That's the keeper's ball. Mbappe is being harried and hassled.
Well, he's profited handsomely already in this match, and at last their sense of danger has brought them to a possible solution.
The ball is loose and the chase is on. And he's managed to get free. And he's cut it out. Rodriguez. Shoots! And he seemed certain to get the sixth.
I can't quite believe he's missed that, Peter.
Thinks one through. No, he's just misjudged that one. Well, quality clearly deserted him at the crucial moment.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
He's having a shot! He's got a goal! There is a man right at the top of his game, and he just knows it.
Well, I think we've reached the point when even damage limitations is no longer an option.
Number 21.
And with that, the hat-trick is complete.
Well, he's made this game all about him. He's got a fantastic appetite for goals.
Dimitrievski claims comfortably.
Niceties are not...
Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And he's going to have his name taken.
Well, what goes through a player's head at times like that is a mystery to me.
Substitution for Valencia. Number 9, Hugo Duro. Number 11, coming on the field.
Lopez.
Number 6, number 7.
Variety is the spice of footballing life too. They need to alter their approach and start shifting this ball out wide.
Big chance! Oh, denied at the last.
A moment to try and place the cherry on the cake.
That's gone all the way through to the keeper. Valencia have the chance to go the other way. And that's an excellent interception.
There will be 5 minutes at a time.
Fouquier. And a chance! And it's in! They are getting horribly bullied, and it seems there is plenty more to come.
Number
Look,
18.
all they want to hear right now is the final whistle. They've been humiliated.
Pepelu. Just seeing the board now, it's going to be 5 extra minutes. And it's Guido Rodriguez. And that will be it. Madrid come away having earned what they always set out to earn, the maximum complement of points. Mbappe, very much the hat-trick